Hi and welcome back. My name is Emelie. In this video we're gonna take a look or a sneak peek look at some new products from Trinity Stamps new release. So this will be a sneak peek. And for my project today I will use a lot of re-inkers that I have in my stash, and I will use some plastic from it's just some old packaging that I have in my stash, and I will just pick out a couple of the colors here. I picked the rainbow colors, and I'm carefully where I'm placing these so I don't create muddy colors. So I went around and just did this. I will speed it up quite a lot here, so you don't have to watch me do all of this in slow motion. And when I'm done, I'm gonna do some smooshing of my paper. You could see that I used some paper from Trinity Stamps that is a mixed media paper, so it's really fun and you can use with watercolors. So I will just go in and you can see how intense the colors are that I'm using, and then I will use another piece of that paper. I hope this makes sense. You can see I'm spritzing also water to my paper, so it's really wet. I have a cloth and a paintbrush as well that I can use to just move my colors around, and I have a baby wipe as well, and of course my cloth there. So you can see I'm going in creating these colors, and if I think they will create like sort of muddy colors, I will go in and dab all of that out. So here it is after I let it dry. I cut it out with a new die that you will see later this week, and this is the woven, I believe you call it that, die cut. It's a Slimline panel that you can use for so many fun techniques, and today I will just create a shaker card. So I'm putting some double-sided and tape, and this is also a foam tape, so it's really easy to create cards like this. And of course I already adhered a piece of transparent plastic to the front of my shaker here. You can see it glimmering in the light here, and that will create the pocket, or what to call it, for my shaker elements here. So I picked some clay embellishments that I had in my stash from Trinity Stamps. I just love it, and I also paired it with some sequins. And this is a trick that I like to use. This is a regular Slimline sized card panel that I cut into the right shape, and since this is a smaller panel, it's a 6x3, I am going to cut away the excess part that I won't be needing for my project today. And the sentiment is also a new die that you will see later this week, so stay tuned for that. So it's an amazing release in May from Trinity Stamps, so make sure that you check it out. It will be a video hop, so it's gonna be a lot of fun and you will get a lot of inspiration. So here's just a quick look at some of the new products that will be released, perfect for all of those summer weddings. So thank you for stopping by today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.